Hello, I'm Toro, and today I got a new Majorette car. Found this at Target this morning. It's the Volkswagen T1 food truck. It's a vintage deluxe, and it has metal body, rubber tires, suspension, opening parts, and license. And it's a licensed vehicle. This is a Volkswagen. I'm gonna open this one up right now. And man, this Porsche right here looks really cool. But I don't think I've ever seen that one at the store. I think I had seen this Volkswagen bus, the T1. So I remember seeing like this Asian mix thing. But this one's actually a Big Burger Chef. 100% guaranteed satisfaction, premium quality. It's got a bunch of burgers in it. Yeah, let me open this one up. I'm gonna open it up because it comes with a little box. And these are like around $4, so pretty cheap. No, Majorette's from France, so I had opened up another Majorette before, like a little rally car. These are pretty cool. It's got the box. Just put it in there. Majorette. It's the car. Oh, this is nice. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It's got a plastic base, metal body. Big Burger Chef. Okay, how am I gonna open this? There you go. Back opens up. It's a pretty nice, like, matte black color. Got suspension. Premium quality product. Yeah, this thing is really detailed. It's kind of like it's like a M2 maybe. Like the details. Yeah, these are pretty cool. The rims are nice too. Look like those Porsche rims. It's got rubber tires. These are made in Thailand. But Majorette's a French company, so it's pretty cool to see these in the Target. See the suspension on it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice little car. This is all I pretty much found at the Target this morning, so I'm gonna put this in a little box, so just wanted to open it real quick. I got this and the little, another one of the Raging Express. It's already like my third one. It's got a little bit of interior. You see the steering wheel. And the seats. There's like a middle seat too. It's a little food truck, so that's pretty cool. It would be cool if you could maybe have like a big sunroof or something. You can see all the inside. But yeah, this is a really cool car. I don't have a lot of Majorettes, but I think this is like my third one. I don't have a Porsche with like a little surfboard on top, and a rally car that I had found at Target too. Gee, funny that Target. They're like around $4, I think. Yeah, that looks cool like that. Little box, put it in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.